Let's take you south now, and Bengaluru civic poll results have brought much joy for the BJP. It has helped the party complete a hat-trick in recent civic polls, with Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan already in the bag. Prime Minister Modi has thanked the people of Bengaluru in a series of tweets, saying it's a victory in favour of good governance and development.
BJP workers celebrating as capital Bengaluru in Congress-ruled Karnataka picked the BJP again to fix its chronic civic problems, handing the party a majority in the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike or BBMP. The BJP has 100 of the BBMP's 198 wards, the Congress 76 and the Janata Dal Secular 14. In a series of tweets, Prime Minister Modi thanked the city and congratulated Karnataka BJP leaders and workers. He said, after Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, BBMP poll results complete a hat-trick of wins for BJP. Calling it a victory of development and good governance, the Prime Minister reiterated the BJP's commitment to fulfilling the aspirations of 125 crore people. The BBMP administration was in the hands of BJP for over 8 years, and the party's plan for Bangalore was meticulously chalked out by party president Amit Shah. The trio of Union Ministers Venkaiah Naidu, Anant Kumar, Sadanand Gowda and the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi reflected in the manifesto as well, resulting in the win for BJP in the city.
जैसे पिछले दिनों में सरकार चल रही है, वो तो विकास को रोक चुकी है और कुशासन दे रही है। इसलिए लोग सुशासन चाह रहे थे, विकास चाह रहे थे और मोदी विजन के साथ विकास होगा, इसके ऊपर आम जनता का आस्था है।
Bangalore city contributed a revenue of over 45,000 lakh rupees as tax to the state exchequer, and being the capital city, it was a prestigious battle for both the ruling Congress and the BJP. The city had lost its sheen and brand Bangalore due to constant infrastructure issues and garbage problems. But the BJP promised the citizens of the city that Bangalore will regain its diminishing glory. The focus on schemes like Swachh Bharat Mission, Skill India, Digital India at the ward level got citizens to vote for development.
बेंगलुरु की जनता नरेंद्र भाई मोदी नेतृत्व के भारतीय जनता पार्टी को आज के दिन आशीर्वाद किया है और मोदी विजन के साथ विकास होगा, इसके ऊपर आम जनता का आस्था है। और पिछले दिनों में हम सब ने मिलकर के टीम बेंगलुरु बनकर के जो काम किया, उसके भरोसे पर जनता ने आज के दिन में हमको ये कामयाबी दिया है।
The ruling Congress instead led the campaign with allegations against BJP, which backfired. The internal bickering in the party also cost it dearly. Despite the fact that there was a low voter turnout, the BJP could easily defeat the Congress armed with its development agenda.
We accept, the mandate given by the people of Bangalore city. And whatever we thought we will develop Bangalore, we'll improve Bangalore, all that is people have not accepted it.
BJP leaders are in an upbeat mood, with the BBMP victory completing the Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan local polls hat-trick. This is a win for politics of development and good governance. And for the citizens of Bangalore, this is a beginning of new hope for a better city and better living in Bangalore.
The people of Bangalore have agreed to give another chance to the BJP, and this setting aside the trend which always has been whenever the ruling party is in power, the corporation also belongs to the ruling party. But this is different trend wherein we see that the ruling Congress had to face huge embarrassment and the BJP has now captured power at the Bangalore City Corporation. With cameraman Rajanna, Aisha Khanam, DD News, Bangalore.